Hi guys, I'm now with my second tutorial on scripting for RSBot. There are a few people here in the RSBot site that are scripting with Windows Notepad. That is a shame, and so I decided to introduce you to what I feel is the best IDE integrated development environment around for Java, C, C++ if you wish to, and I find it the best one for scripting. So if you go to eclipse.org and then to downloads, you want to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So in case you've got Windows, if not Mac or Linux, whatever. If you're using the latest Macs, Mac OS 10, 10.5 or later, or 10.4, I don't know, I suggest you downloading Mac Cocoa. But if not, Windows or Linux or the other one. So I go into Windows, and then it tells you to download it, and you download it, click here, and it would start downloading. I've got it already, so I'm going to cancel it, but that's pretty much everything you have to do. Then you would decompress this file and move all the files in that zip folder to wherever you wish. Then from there, without having to install anything, you can launch Eclipse. So when you launch Eclipse, you will receive something like this, without this folder of course. In order to set up your project for RSBot, you have to get Tortoise SVN. There's a good tutorial on how to set up Tortoise SVN here, I think. Let me find it. Using SVN to get RSBot or Ultimate Gate to RSBot. I use this one, pretty good with pictures and all that stuff. And from here, download the RSBot SVN. It tells you everything you have to do. You will need the JDK. And the tedious part, if your RSBot doesn't give you problems when compiling, in case you haven't got the SVN variable that doesn't happen, you will need the JDK. And that's it. You follow the tutorial, get the SVN, compile it, you get the JDK, and everything's working now. So then, when you've got that, you will go to new Java project in Eclipse, create the project from an existing source, and this source is going to be, I put in RSBot in my desktop, so it's going to be desktop, RSBot folder, and then you're going to go to the SRC folder. You're going to choose this folder, and I've got it already, that's what's giving me an error, and then you click finish. That's it. Then you will have this. You will click new class, source folder SRC, the package will be the default in case you don't want to name it somehow, and then you will put your name. I've named it test Java, but you could name it Java, for example, and that's it. You click and finish, and you've got your script there. I'll get into how to start scripting in my next video, which will be introduction to scripting, but in order to forward it a bit, you will put here stance script, and then you've really got your script. You will have to, of course, import it first, and I add the unimplemented methods, and then you've got it. Everything set up. If something doesn't work, you can come message me or something like that at rsbot.com. I'm in digestion for if you don't know me, or if not, soon I will put a formula here to fill in case you have any problem. At the moment, this isn't even published on the internet, so you have to wait for that. When it's published, it will be somewhere like scripting.com/scripting lessons /main, something like that. I'll post it up in my post here on RSBot, which is this one, Indigestion Scripting Video Tutorials Final. and I've got here the things I've got, the text documents for the previous lesson, and the video for that lesson. I'm going to remove that video pretty soon. I'll try and make another one with this new software I'm using, Camtasia Studio, because I made this one with Adobe Captivate and it really isn't too good or easy to use. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video. Basic introduction to scripting. Now I hope you've got Eclipse and you can set it up easily so that it tells you the errors you've got. Okay, thanks for listening and for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.